I want to make sure you drink it at least 15 minutes before bed or first thing in the morning. Rosemary and cloves. Secret. Not even your grandmother want to tell her this, I want to. Very secretly. Let's make this together. Minutes. We're washing off the rosemary into some baking soda water. Alright, so we're going to rinse them off now. On the cooker like this. Boil my kettle. 1 large cups of water. Got the cloves. Alright, and as I say, I'm using a large cup. Just put a few in it for yourself. Don't use too much. Okay? I'm gonna put, because my cup is large, so I'm gonna put a few more into mine. So in year one, don't put too much inside of year one. Put a few more grain, give that a mix, and that good to go. All right, good vibes. This is the rosemary. Put into the water.